Sound moves us. It affects our mood, our perceptions, even our heart rate. This makes sound a very effective branding tool. And it raises the question, what does your brand sound like? How do you use sound, not only music, but also voice and sound effects, to engage your customers and connect with them emotionally? At Timbre, we help you do just that. From audio logos and custom soundtracks for retail to music reward campaigns, product sounds, and interactive installations, we help you take advantage of the connective power of sound at every customer touchpoint. So if you really want to move your audience, pay attention to their ears. They're always listening, and your brand has a unique voice that your audience will feel. It just needs to be heard. Timbre. Set the right tone.